Good morning, student. Myself, Harshada Desle. I am going to discuss about petrochemicals and eco-friendly fuels of the subject industrial chemistry. What is petrochemicals? Petrochemicals are the chemical products obtaining from petroleum by processing, refining, some purification. Refining are the purifications. Chemical compounds are the made from petroleums are also obtained from fossil fuels such as example coal, gas, renewable sources. Renewable means we can reproduce. Okay, and these are the graph of types of sources: polypropylene, polypropylene oxide, acrylonitrile, cumene, acrylic acid, isopropanol, others. What is eco-friendly fuel? Consider this slide. Eco-friendly fuel means it is a ecologically friendly fuel, means we can help to earn money for the production and use as a minimum impact of the environment, means they can harmful but it is an minimum side of harmful, there is a side effect is less as compared to others. Petroleum, what is petroleum? It is a Latin word petra. Petra means rocks and olum means oil. It is obtaining from rocks below the rocks. They can found or they can produce millions of years. They are the complex mixture of hydrocarbons and various molecular weights and other liquids of organic compounds. Organic compounds means like presence of carbon compound containing carbon. Petroleum covers both naturally as well as unprocessed crude oils. Crude oils means unprocessing oils. They cannot refine. And fossil fuels, it is formed when large quantities of dead organisms by if they dead animals means, for example, they can decompose naturally in the layer of soil and they can produce fossil fuels. This diagram shows the how can oil means petroleum we can intake. It is produced in the below of rocks. Types of imperious rock. Composition of petroleum. The element composition. In petroleum, carbon is 83%, hydrogen is 10%, sulfur is 0.05%, other metals is less than 0.1%, oxygen is 0.05 to 1.5%, nitrogen is 0 to 1.2 0.1 to 2%. Hydrocarbon composition of crude oil. In crude oil, paraffin is 30%, naphthalene 49%, aromatics 15%, and asphaltics 6%. Types of petroleum resources. Petroleum resources, they are types of conventional reservoirs. In that, heavy oils and tight gas formation, there are two types. In heavy oil, extra heavy oil, then bitumen, then oil shale. In that, tight gas formation having basin centered gas, then it coal bed methane, then shale gas, then gas hydrates. These are the phases of petroleum resources. Manufacturing of petrochemicals in India. This point locates the production of petrochemicals in India, like Hyderabad, Mangalore, Chennai, Haldia, Pune, Jamnagar. Processing of petrochemicals. Petrochemicals can be purified like this. Crude oils, then it can refine by using naphtha, then it undergoes steam cracking, then formation of ethylene, then it converts into ethylene derivatives. Next one is a propane by FCC product gas, then it can reformates. Then dehydrogenation process. Dehydrogenation, D means remove, removal of hydrogen, means it is a type of reduction. Then it converts into propylene, then we get propylene derivatives, C4 C5 carbons fractions. We can obtain C4 C5 carbon fractions as well as aromatic fractions and aromatic derivatives. Auxiliary facilities required of refinery. Refineries means it's process of purification. We can normally use fractionating column as well as distillation. Crude oil can be distilled out by using light gases, naphtha, kerosene, gas oil. That it undergoes gas recovery. We get fuel gases, LPG or propane. Hydrotreater, it converts into reformer. Then we get gasoline. Third fraction is distillate hydrotreater. We get kerosene or diesel fuel. This is the assembly for the crude oil distillation unit. It is very complicated as well as is the large. Chemical fuels. Chemical fuels means it is a combustible as well as carbon is present, and they can be proper burn and they can fully burn for the domestical as well as industrial purpose. Example: wood, charcoal, coal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, producer gas, etc. Types of fuel. There are three types of fuels: solid fuels, liquid fuels, gaseous fuels. Example like this. Calorific value. What is calorific value? It is a value that calculate the amount of heat liberated when a unit mass of fuel is burned. Wood has calorific value is 17 kilojoule per gram. The amount of heat can be measured by the following units: calorie, kilocalorie, BTU means British thermal unit, centigrade heat unit, CHU. These are the some calorific values of fuels like kerosene, gasoline, wood, hydrogen in kilocalorie per kg. Theoretical calculation of calorific value. Here is the by calculation of calorific value by using this formula: HCV is equal to 8080C plus 34500 in bracket H minus O by 8 plus 2240 kilocalorie per kg, where C is the carbon in the fuel, H is the hydrogen in the fuel, oxygen in the fuel, sulfur. Then we can calculate calorific value of each specific elements: carbon, hydrogen and sulfur. Criteria for the selection. We can select the factors we can select for petroleum. If they are safety, efficiency, their cost, improvement potential, power density, technological availability. These are the points that can affect the selection. These are the technical proposal for the selection of petrochemicals or fuels: combustion efficiency, calorific value, fuel consumption, fuel rate, emission. Characteristics of good fuel. It should be a good calorific value or high calorific value. They can moderate at ignition temperature, having low moisture content, low ash content, low cost, easy storage and transportation, easily controllable. Modern ignition temperature. In that ignition temperature, the lowest temperature to which the fuel must be preheated so that it starts burning smoothly. These are the ignition temperature. Flash point. Flash point means lowest temperature at which liquid gives off enough vapors to form an ignitable mixture with air. Consider this example. Fire point. Fire point means fuel is the temperature at which the vapor produced by that given fuel will continue to burn for at least 5 seconds. Coke. What is coke? Coke is a solid fuel made by heating up coal in the absence of air so that the volatile component is driven off. Anti-knocking additives, they are the substance which reduce the tendency of fuel to auto-ignite and also increases the octane number. Example of tetraethyl lead, TEL, but it damaged the environment. Octane number and cetane number. What is cetane number? Cetane number for diesel fuel and octane number for gasoline. Both measures the tendency of the fuel to ignite spontaneously. Spontaneously means naturally. Cetane numbers refers to the is in which diesel fuel ignites easily at a relatively low temperature, that is normal temperature, room temperature. Solid fuels refers to various types of solid materials like wood, coal, coke. What is coal? Coal is a fossil fuel formed from partially decomposition of plant materials having different grades, different types. They can be used for the electricity. Thank you.